Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back, guys, to the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, August the 2nd, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, a medium Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve in the evening. So we have one puzzle left here, the regular puzzle, tectonic. Yeah, in the last week, usually on Wednesday we have 3 regular puzzles: the killer Sudoku, the medium Sudoku, and a binary. But since this week it's changed. Yeah, the publisher has changed the puzzles. Yes. Alright, tectonic number 6852. 6852. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. If you so it should be a 1-star puzzle then. The hard ones with 4 stars has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20, so I think it's a 1-star puzzle. For a 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. This one, always a 1. Okay. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, we have here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, those numbers could be everywhere, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay, more triple boxes. Here another one. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And the inside box is already filled in, number 5. Okay. Oh, overlook this dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Overlooked. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Quad boxes, yes. Quadra. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember, let me draw this here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have here only one shape of this kind? Nope, only one. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? This L shape is rotated. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Yes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Yes. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And the only one, yes, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then this box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be there. This box can be a 4, this box can be a 1, so the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Then let me see, these 2 boxes can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. We have a 1 in the same area. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 to 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 3 as a pair. Alright. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Alright. We go up. Yeah. I think. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, so 3 and 5, but we already have a 3 here, so it can't be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be also a 5, and I've eliminated the 3 there, so the 3 should be here. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be a 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2, but we already have a 1 here, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a 3 there. But also that box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for us 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for us 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3, so the only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those, 4 and a 5. Okay. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5 in this area. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then. Well, these two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Alright. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes at there, finishing 14 minutes. Well. Definitely a 1-star puzzle. You need to be faster than 50 minutes. I forgot these two numbers. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish, yes. 15 40 minutes. Alright, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday.